friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today is day 26 of my birthday card a day September 2023 series. Let's just jump right into what I used for today's card. Today's card was probably it was very simple in concept. It wasn't quite the easiest card I've done, but I did use lots of this calls for confetti, so that might tell you what kind of card it is. I used glazed grape, potion purple, purple sparkle, and moonstone. Whatever is still available, I will link in the description box below. Have to say, I just got this cat scrappiness little embellishment spoon. It helped out quite a bit. And then I used this big birthday wishes die from My Favorite Things. And you guessed it, my favorite things, A2 stitched rectangles, stack set 1. Used a couple Gina Marie Designs silver dots, and then I used the Gingham Gala paper from Stampin' Up, which I know is retired. And here is my card for today. It is a shaker card. Every time I make a shaker card, I don't know, I think I overthink it and make it way harder than it needs to be, but I got it done. I probably could have used a little bit more confetti in there, but it just sparkles so much and shines, and yeah, it turned out kind of better than what I thought. When I was done, I couldn't decide if I wanted to add anything, so I did add 3 of those little silver dots. On the inside, I just added some little banners there. So there is my easy peasy-ish card for day 26. Like I said, everything will be linked in the description box that's available. I think that's all I have for you today. Thanks so much for stopping by, and until tomorrow when I'm back with my next video, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.